Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some exciting fashion tips that will make your outfit look more expensive without breaking the bank. From the magic of color combinations to some surprising accessories, we'll show you how to elevate your style game without spending a fortune. Curious? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of affordable luxury. Let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics of accessories, let's talk about the foundation of any outfit, the color combination. The right color palette can instantly give your outfit a sophisticated and expensive look. For instance, pairing navy with brown can create an elegant and timeless look. Or consider the classic combination of white with beige for a chic, minimalistic style. And you can't go wrong with the evergreen black and white combo, perhaps with a touch of beige for an extra kick. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm but to create a harmonious palette that effortlessly exudes class. So don't be afraid to mix and match. Experiment with different combinations, and who knows, you might just find your unique style statement. Moving on to the next tip, let's talk about the power of a good belt. Adding a belt can instantly elevate an outfit. It's a simple accessory that has a significant impact. It can create a flattering silhouette, especially if you cinch it at the waist. It's not just about function, it's about fashion too. Whether it's a leather belt, a chain belt, or a fabric belt, it can add a touch of sophistication to your look. So don't forget to cinch that waist with a chic belt. Tip number 3 is all about presenting your clothes in the best light. It's simple. Ironed, fresh clothes can make your outfit look more expensive. Imagine walking into a room, your clothes crisp, clean, and wrinkle-free. There's an undeniable air of elegance that comes with it. You don't need to spend a fortune on designer brands. Just ensure your clothes are well taken care of. A well-ironed shirt or a spotless dress can turn heads. Remember, clean, wrinkle-free clothes always give an impression of sophistication. Our 4th tip is for those who love a little height in their step. Adding a pair of heels can instantly elevate any outfit, giving it a more polished and expensive look. But remember, not all heels are created equal. Avoid platform heels, as they can often cheapen the look. Instead, opt for a classic stiletto or a chic kitten heel. These styles are timeless and can add just the right amount of sophistication. A classy pair of heels can truly transform your look. Next up, we have a tip that glitters. Gold accessories can elevate any outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. A delicate gold necklace, a pair of understated earrings, or a simple gold watch can add that touch of luxury. But remember, the key here is subtlety. It's not about piling on as much gold as you can. Instead, choose 1 or 2 pieces that enhance your look without overpowering it. Remember, when it comes to accessories, quality over quantity always wins. Our next tip is something you might not see but definitely feel. Yes, we're talking about perfume. A good fragrance is akin to an invisible accessory that adds an extra layer of sophistication to your overall appearance. It's like the final brushstroke on a masterpiece, tying all your fashion efforts together. Think of it as an olfactory signature that leaves a trail of elegance wherever you go. Remember, a good scent can make a powerful and lasting impression. Tip number 8 is all about the fit. When it comes to making your outfit look more expensive, the fit can make all the difference. Tailored, well-fitted pieces convey an air of sophistication and attention to detail. On the other hand, clothes that are too baggy or ill-fitting can often look sloppy, cheap, or unkempt. So always aim for clothes that fit you perfectly, accentuating your best features. Remember, a well-fitted outfit is a sure way to look chic and expensive. Our next tip is a wardrobe must-have. A blazer, my friends, is the magic wand of fashion. It's the one piece that can take your outfit from casual to classy in a heartbeat. Whether you throw it over a dress, a tee and jeans, or even a jumpsuit, it instantly elevates the look to a whole new level of sophistication. Think of it as a power-up in the game of style. A well-cut blazer, in the right fabric and color, can indeed be a game-changer for your outfit. Moving on to our 10th tip, let's delve into the art of ton-sur-ton dressing. This styling technique, also known as tone-on-tone, involves dressing in layers of different shades of the same color. It's a chic and sophisticated method that can effortlessly enhance your look. Think of it as a gradient effect, where each layer adds depth and complexity to your outfit. And the beauty of it? It's simple yet so effective. So next time you're stuck wondering what to wear, remember, ton sur ton is a simple yet effective way to elevate your outfit. Let's move on to another accessory that can make or break your outfit: the handbag. A well-chosen handbag can elevate your ensemble, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. Opt for a sleek, structured design that oozes sophistication. Remember, it's not about size, but about style and quality. Backpacks and fanny packs, while practical, can often detract from an elegant appearance. So, when it comes to selecting the perfect bag, think classy, not bulky. A chic handbag can be the perfect finishing touch to your look. Our next tip is about the art of timeless fashion. In the world of style, some things never go out of trend. These timeless pieces are your wardrobe's best friends. They lend an air of sophistication and class, making your outfit look more expensive than it might be. Think about a classic white shirt, a well-tailored blazer, or a little black dress. These staples transcend seasons and trends, always keeping your style on point. Timeless clothing is always a good investment. Now let's talk about a tip that's all about topping off your look. The right hat can elevate your outfit from the everyday to the extraordinary. Think of it as the crown of your ensemble, adding an extra layer of sophistication. Whether it's a chic beret, a wide-brimmed fedora, or a classic cloche, the choices are endless. Just make sure it's appropriate for the occasion. So don't shy away from experimenting with this accessory. Remember, a hat can be the perfect cherry on top of your stylish ensemble. Our next tip is about a classic wardrobe staple. Investing in a good trench coat can significantly elevate your outfits. A well-made, high-quality trench coat adds an air of sophistication and elegance to any ensemble. It's a versatile piece that can be paired with virtually anything, from casual wear to formal attire. Furthermore, a trench coat's timeless appeal ensures it never falls out of fashion, offering years of style and utility. A good trench coat is a fashion investment that never goes out of style. Last but not least, let's talk about a tip that's as functional as it is stylish. Sunglasses, the quintessential symbol of cool. But not just any pair, we're talking classic shapes and styles. Think of Audrey Hepburn in her oversized frames, or James Dean's iconic aviators. These timeless pieces don't just protect your eyes, they add an air of mystery and sophistication. They're the silent statement in your ensemble, speaking volumes about your style. A pair of classic sunglasses can add the perfect touch of mystery and elegance. And that, beauties, wraps up our list of tips to make your outfits look more expensive. We've journeyed through the world of color combinations, learned the power of a well-placed belt, and understood the unspoken elegance of immaculately ironed clothes. We've stepped into the irresistible charm of heels, marveled at the subtle allure of gold accessories, and breathed in the intoxicating scent of luxury. We've explored the impact of a well-fitted outfit, the transformative effect of a blazer, and the statement a handbag can make. We've appreciated timeless clothing, tipped our hats to the right occasion, invested in a good trench coat, and hidden behind stylish sunglasses. All these tips reinforce the idea that looking expensive doesn't necessarily mean spending a lot of money. It's all about the details, the effort, and the confidence. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Until next time, stay chic and stylish.